Hi everyone, this is Cheryl. I'm with Coco Daisy's design team, and I want to show you my Autumn Thicket planner setup for the month of October. This is from Fir Yew, and it doesn't actually work well with this type of design planner, but it's great for photos. The planner is from Aura Estelle. It's the personal size rings, and it's the dark blue on the outside and light blue on the inside, which looks so very pretty with the light blue touches in this kit. So I always put in my pockets just fun little things, so when I open it up it makes me happy. In these pockets I will actually put my extra stickers and papers and notes that I might need to finish my planner throughout the month. So this is Simon. He's dressed as a gnome, all ready to go trick-or-treating. This is from a previous year, and he's dressed, I think, to go pick pumpkins. And then I love this, the mushrooms. The leaf, and again, is from a previous kit, and I thought it worked well. There's another leaf over here too. This very front page is actually a bookmark that I hole punched so it would fit in my planner. And on it I kept my autumn organization sticker kit, sticky tabs. I put the autumn organization sticky notes, and then on the back I have some of the meal planner sticky notes left, and I thought that worked out really well. This acetate here is from Colored Daze, and I love being able to see which day of the week, for the entire year. So I always put something like that towards the front. And then there's this gorgeous Autumn Thicket acetate, and this came in the Planner Classified kit. I also get the dashboards, and then I always decorate them just because I like to put my own little spin on them. And then for the first dashboard of each month, I like to add hello, so it's Hello October. And then I just added some washi tape, some enamel dots, and matted it on some pattern paper. This dashboard, I kept very simple. I just outlined it in black ink and matted it on some pattern paper. This is the month at a glance, and I haven't put much in it yet, but I did go ahead and add the stickers for the specific holidays, like Teacher's Day, Columbus Day, Halloween. I mean, technically they're not all holidays, but they're the days that we celebrate, like Teacher's Day on October 5th. And then here is my favorite dashboard. It's the owl that I matted on the wood grain paper with washi tape. The sticker, the vellum sticker, is from the extra sticker kit. It's 4 sheets, and 1 sheet's the vellum, and I love the vellum stickers. And this is for daily affirmations, so when you turn the page, you'll see this is where I'm going to have anything that I'm grateful for, or just daily affirmations. This sticker, the grateful heart, is layered on a couple other stickers and washi tape, and this came from the Bible sticker journaling kit, just the stickers. And I'm going to use those. I'll be focusing on those in a different notebook here shortly. I put my goals at the very front this time, so then when you look at the dividers, you'll see that this index tab says October goals. And here's another dashboard in love with cozy weather. I love cozy weather. I love to wear sweaters or long sleeves, blankets and hot chocolate and books and fire. That's my favorite time of year. And I just use some of the enamel dots and stickers and the washi tape. On the reverse, I added the Simon card, and the Simon card comes in the Planner Classified kit only. He makes me happy. He's just cute. so I always like to include him. The front of the very first day of October lands on a Saturday. So it didn't work well to have this side blank, which would have been this page. I took that page and put it at the very end for October 31st, because this is just a little bit longer than you can use each of these as a 2-page spread. But I went ahead and I added my stickers, the main stickers for each page, and then I leave extra ones to personalize them as I'm planning. I made space for my menu planning for where I can move this sticker to it, and then I can add my grocery list. I always divide somehow the Saturday and the Sunday, and this leaf sticker is so pretty. And by the way, I really do water my plants every Sunday. Those are the indoor plants, because I have orchids, and those only need to be watered once a week. And then this last week, before we get to the very last day of the month, I used the Halloween stickers from the bonus kit. And I actually love gnomes. It's part of my heritage. My mother she is Swedish, Norwegian, and Finnish. So this is perfect for us. And I loved how this turned out, the layering of the leaves on this particular dashboard. Oh, this is from the Peach Palmetto. I like to have these for each month too. I have several that I've gathered over the years, so I just go through and I find the one that looks the most, coordinates well. And I liked, again, with the blue instead of the traditional orange and black. And then this page is one of my other favorite pocket cards, because this is all I need to be happy. A good book, a cup of cozy, I like hot chocolate, a blanket, a fire. That's me. I'm not a summer person. I love the sunlight, but I'm not really a summer person. So then we get to the daily to-dos. And I'll be honest, I don't use all of them. I only use them on the busy days, because some days I just don't have that much going on. And I'm not going to list mundane things. I'm just going to list things that really need to get done. But this front page is not a 2-page spread, so I made it for a month to do. And here I can write down things that I want to accomplish throughout the month. I made another dashboard for my notes, and this is just notes I want to keep track of. And then I made one for Halloween. I love Mr. Gnome here. This washi tape's from Simply Gilded, but everything else is from, oh wait, this is also from Colored Daze. But the pattern paper, and the note card, and the index, and the stickers, these are all from the Halloween bonus kit. This came in a previous bonus kit for Halloween, but it's my favorite, so I move it to October every year. And then the vellum that came with this month's, I'm actually going to put in my memory keeping traveler's notebook. And then I have a place also to write notes, because what I want to do is whatever candy we decide we like the best, whatever treats, muffins, that kind of thing, I want to write all that down here so I can transfer it nicely into my traveler's memory keeping notebook. And then we have a notepad, and this comes in handy to make, actually to leave notes around the house for everybody who needs them. The bookmarks are from the Opal Wild, and most of my Halloween ones, actually most of my bookmarks are still packed up, but I was able to come across these, and I thought the colors went so well with this planner that I went ahead and I put them in here. And then this pen, this is like my favorite shade of blue. And this comes with the main planner kit. I lost my train of thought there for a second. And look how pretty that it's just a pale peach. So it doesn't it's not like orange and black. These are just a nice little take on the colors that make it more unique and more, I personally am not a big Halloween fan, but I do, mostly because my kids are grown up. Once your kids aren't little anymore, there's just nothing sweet and cute about Thanksgiving. I mean, Halloween. I love Thanksgiving. So anyway, I love these shades. These are like the perfect colors. And then there's just enough orange and Halloween in here to make me happy. So I do get most of the kits. I will write in the notes for the video all the kits I get. And if you use my name when you sign up, you will actually get a discount. And I need to verify what it is. However, it's really the only discount that you can get when you sign up for a new subscription, unless they're running a promotion, which right now they are not. I will put all that information also in the notes, and I hope I gave you some inspiration for your planner and some ideas that you can use. Thank you.